In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the checkout process on Shopee using your credit or debit card. This is a straightforward process that can enhance your online shopping experience, ensuring that checking out is both quick and secure. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and head over to the Shopee website. Once you're there, you'll want to familiarize yourself with the home page if you're new to Shopee. It's always a good idea to take a moment to glance over any featured deals or banners that catch your eye, as Shopee often has excellent promotions. In this case, we're focusing on checking out, so navigate to your shopping cart where you've gathered your selected items. After ensuring that your cart contains everything you're looking to purchase, it's time to move on to the checkout process. Click on the cart icon, usually found in the upper right corner of the page, then proceed to click the checkout button. This is the gateway to finalizing your purchase and choosing your preferred payment method. Once you arrive at the checkout page, there's an important decision to make regarding how you'd like to pay. Under the payment method section, you'll see various options such as e-wallets, cash on delivery, and others. However, for our purposes today, we will focus on selecting credit debit card as our payment method. It's one of the most commonly used options and is favored for its convenience and speed. Now, you'll need to carefully input your credit or debit card details. Make sure you're entering accurate information to avoid any delays or errors in your transaction. Double-check your card number, expiration date, and the CVV code found on the back of your card. This is crucial to ensure that your payment is processed smoothly. Remember, your privacy and security are important when making online transactions, so never share your card details in unsecured environments. Once all your card details are entered correctly, review your order one last time. Ensure that your shipping and billing information is accurate and that the items in your cart are exactly what you want. This is a great opportunity to make any necessary adjustments before completing your purchase. And there you have it. You're done. After confirming your order, keep an eye out for a confirmation email from Shopee. This email will provide you with all the details of your purchase, including an estimated delivery date. With your order placed, you can sit back and relax, knowing that your items are on their way to you. That's all for today's guide on using your credit or debit card at checkout on Shopee. Following these simple steps ensures a smooth and efficient shopping experience. Thanks for watching and happy shopping!